Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you getting on? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Abir Hossain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School at Day Shift. Today, I am here to take a math class for class 6 and our topic is chapter 2. Before starting our topic, I want to welcome you to NIEVS Home School. The chapter 2 is ratio and percentage. First of all, we have to know what is ratio. Suppose, my dear student, look, there is a box and in box there is 3 white balls and there is another box, there is 2 black balls. Suppose we want to mix these two in another box, then it will be 3 white balls and 2 black balls. That means ratio means a number how many times to another. So we can write here black is 2 and white is 3. So it will be 3:2. And the fraction means this is such kind, the ratio means this is such kind of fraction. So fraction and ratio is similar. So the ratio is a number how many times contains in another. Let's go the next one. This is simple ratio. Simple ratio means there is first a number and there is another number. The first one will say antecedent and the last one will be the subsequent. Let there is 3 and there is 2. So this is a simple ratio. Then ratio is ratio of less inequality. Ratio is less inequality means let us consider there is 3 and there is 7. This is a ratio. Since the antecedent is less, so it is the ratio of less inequality. Similarly, if we write here ratio of greater, then it will be the 7:3, then 7 is the greater. So it is the ratio of greater inequality. Now the next one is unit ratio. Unit ratio, we know that ratio means such kind of fraction. So if we write 3:3, 3:3, that means this is 3/3 and after making lowest term it will be 1/1. So it will be 1:1, that means 1. So unit ratio means the ultimate value of 2 elements will be the 1. Now the inverse ratio. Inverse ratio means such, let us consider there is a ratio, this is 4:7. We know that ratio means the fraction, so that is 4/7. If we inverse this fraction as 7/4, so 7:4 is the inverse ratio. Now the next one is mixed or compound ratio. Mixed or compound ratio, let us consider there is 2 ratio, 2:3 and another is 4:5. So we want to make a mixed or compound ratio using those ratio, that is 2:3 and 4:5. Now if we multiply this one and this one, so it will be 2:4, 2 into 4 is to 3 into 5, that means 8:15. So this 8:15 is the mixed or compound ratio of these two ratios. Now the equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio means, equivalent ratio, if we make, there is a ratio, this is 2 and 2 to 3, if we want to multiply this a number but except 0, then it will be the equivalent ratio. If we multiply these both are by 2, then it will be 4 and it will be 6. So this is the equivalent ratio of this ratio. Now percentage. Percentage means, we know that, my dear student, percentage means the denominator will be the 100. The denominator will be the 100. So 2 by 3. If we want to this, we know that this is a fraction, 2:3. We want to make this to percentage, then we have to multiply this way by 100. Then we know that the denominator will be the 100, so it will be remain, and it will be 200. Now making it the lowest term, it will be percent. So from a ratio we want to make, or we can make a percentage. Now we will solve a CQ problem to know the ratio and percents in details. The ratio of two prices of two computers, the ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6. The price of first computer is 25,000. So number one is convert the ratio of the prices of computer into percentage. So we have to make the ratio into the percentage. So first of all, number A, given that the ratio of two computer, the ratio of the price of two computers is 5:6. So we have to convert this ratio to percentage. We know that 5:6, that means 5/6. So if we want to make percentage, then we will multiply it by 100. This will be the remain, and here it will be 500. Now it will be, make it lowest term, it will be 3 and it will be 250. So that means 250 by 3%. If we divide 250 by 3, then it will be 83 and 1/3%, which is the required answer. Now my dear student, go to the number 2. What is the price of second computer? What is the price of second computer? So in question given that the price of first computer is, given that price of first computer is 25,000 taka, and the ratio is, the ratio of the prices of two computer is 5:6. That means first computer price divided by second computer price equal 5 by 6. We have to determine the price of second computer. If we inverse this one, then it will be second computer price divided by first computer price equal 6 by 5. Now second computer price equal 6 by 5 into first computer price. Then second computer price equal 6 by 5 into, we know that the price of first computer is 25,000. So it will be 25,000. Now make it the lowest term, it will be 15,000. So multiply this and this one, it will be 30,000. That is second computer price is 30,000 taka, and which is the required answer. Now number C, in case of price hike, the price of first computer is increased by 5,000 taka, then what type of ratio of their price will be? So number C is the price of first computer is 25,000. In case of price hike, in case of price hike, the price of first computer will be 25,000 plus 5,000 taka, that is 30,000 taka. Now what type of ratio of their price will be? From B we got price of second computer is 30,000 taka. Now first computer price divided by second computer price equal 30,000 divided by 30,000. Then making it lowest term, it will be 1, that is first computer price divided by second computer price is 1 by 1. We know that this type of ratio is this type of fraction, that means this type of ratio is called unit ratio. So it will be first computer price in ratio second computer price is 1:1. That is, it is a unit ratio. So what type of ratio? This is a unit ratio, and which is the required answer. My dear student, hope you understood this type of problem of ratio. Practice this at your home more and more. Avoid by your parents. See you soon. Until then, Allah Hafiz.